Hello everyone, welcome to Ronnie Tuitions. Maths has fun. Today we are going to learn some important questions which are likely to come in the exams. So here, as you can see, now I am taken some bundles of the questions which are likely to arise in the exams. So here question given here. Find the HCF of 135 and 75 by prime factorization method. And then find the LCM of 20 and HCF of 135, 75. In this question it is asked that we have to find the first HCF of the number 135 and 75. Then we have to find the LCM of the number 20 and the HCF of this number, means 135. So first we are going to find the HCF of this number. So number given here 135. You know 135 we can make prime factorization of the 135. It can go by the 3 also. We can, because of it is a odd number and it is the sum of the digits are divisible by the 3, so we can give it. It will not go by the 2 because of it is not the even number. 3 4s are 12, 1, 3 5s are 15, again by the 3, then we can write 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are again by the 3, then we can write the 5 and 5, 1. So means 135 we can write 3 into 3 into 3 into 5, means we can write 3 the power 3 into 5 we can write. Next number given here 75, so we can find the 75 also by 3, 3 2s are 6 and 3 5s are 15, again by the 5, then 5 and 5, 1. So we can write 75 is equal to 3 into 5 square. Now for HCF purpose we are taking the lowest power. In that the lowest power 3 and 5, lowest power is 1, so is equal to 3 into 5 the power 2, here 5 the power 1 or here 1, so that we can take the lowest power, so 5. So what is the HCF of this number? 15. Now it is asked that after finding the HCF we found it is asked to find the LCM of 20 and HCF. So now number become the 15 and 20. We are going to find the LCM now. LCM of this number by prime factorization method. So 15 we can write, 15 is equal to we can write 3 into 5 and 20 we can write by prime factorization method like same. Suppose that we are doing here, so it is the even number, so divisible by the 2, so 2 10s are again 2, 2 5s are again 5 means 1, 1s are. So we can write 20 is equal to 2 into 2 into 5 means 2 the power 2 and 5. In that the same, this is the same, means we can take one pair. Here remaining we can take the LCM is equal to what become this remaining 3, here 2, here this 2 and this is the 5 common, that 5 is equal to it become a 2 5s are 10, 10 6 are 60. So LCM of this number given the 60 and hence this is the answer of this total question. Next we are going to take another question. I hope you are understanding. If you are understanding, please like, share, comment for the next which questions you want. And again I will come for the taking the new series of likely to arise in the exam, board exam. All topics will be covered in that. Next question given here, find the value of y for which the distance, find the value of y for which the distance between the points P given here 2, minus 3 and Q given here 10, y and distance given is 10 unit. Means it is given the points given here, 2 points given P and Q. So we writing here to get the answer. First it is a P given here 2 comma minus 3 and Q given here 10 comma y. We have to find the value of y, and distance given means D is equal to given 10 unit. 10 unit given. We know that our formula to find the distance. So D, as you, I hope you know, D is equal to distance is equal to root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. I hope you know it. If you don't know, then formula you can remember now. Here we can write this is the x1 y1, this is x2 y2, and this is the D. So we can write here D is equal to 10 written, root as it is root written, bracket written, x2 value is here become the 10. So 10 minus x1 value is a 2, so 2 whole square plus y2 is equal to given y, so y written minus y1 value given minus 3, so minus 3 written is square, then y square. Again we can write 10 is equal to root bracket 10 minus 2 is equal to 8 square plus this one writing y minus into minus plus become plus 3 whole square. Now we can, to solve the root, we are squaring on both sides. So we can write square here, 10 square is equal to, this side is square doing, then it will become the root will become the cancel. So here it will become the 64 plus y plus 3 whole square means a plus b whole square. So a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. I hope you know it. Here a is equal to y, b is equal to 3. A square means y square plus 2 into y, b is equal to 3, so 3 into plus b square, 3 square. What we can write? Y square plus 2 3 is 6y plus 9. So I can write here, so that we can write here y square plus 6y plus 9 we can write behalf of this one. This we can write 10 square is what? 100 is equal to 64 plus 9. 64 plus 9 it become the 73. 73 plus y square plus 6y. Now we can transfer it this side or this side, it will become a quadratic equation. So we can write it like this, so that y square plus 6y plus 73, this number go that side transposing, by the transposing minus 100 is equal to 0. We can write it like this next, y square plus 6y minus 100 minus 73 is equal to 27. 27 is equal to 0. Now it is a quadratic equation. To find the quadratic equation, we are having the two methods. One is a factorization method and one is the quadratic formula method. If numbers are small, so that we are going to the factorization method, erasing it and going to the next factorization of this number. Here written y square plus 6y minus 27 is equal to 0 written. Now this number we are multiplying it, so it will become the minus 27 y square. We have to break it into two parts. Middle term is called the 6y. We have to find the two numbers such that if we multiply it, then it comes out 27. If we add or subtract, again if we add or subtract, then we find the 6 will come, plus 6 will come. So suppose that I number taking 27, what will give? 1 into 27, it will give the 27. Then 2 to not giving, 3 into 9, it gives the 27. Then 4 not coming, 5 not coming, 6 not coming, 7 not coming, 8 not coming, 9. 9 into 3 is equal to 27. In that, because of number become the repeated, maybe in that only any answer is there. Now we are finding which is the correct in that. 27 plus 1 is equal to 28. 28 not. So this number is the wrong become. In that 6 plus 3 is equal to 12. Otherwise 9 minus 3 is equal to 6, means this number is correct. And these factors are correct. Maybe 3 or 9. So what is that? Suppose that one place I writing the 9 and one place written the 3. Here is the plus, means bigger number will be plus. Here the plus, here will be minus, or here y is the coefficient y, variable y written. I hope you understand it. But if the numbers are bigger number comes, then we have to find their factorization like this. Suppose that 27, we are writing it like this, prime factorization doing. 3, 9 ja, and 3, 3, and 3. So here the two numbers will come here. So this number at a one time and this number 3 3 ja 9 and 3. These are the two factors it will come. So now I can write it by factorization method. I hope you understand now. We can write y square plus 9y minus 3y minus 27 is equal to 0. Now we can take the common in between terms. Y common taken, so y plus 9, and here minus 3 common taken, so y plus 9 is equal to 0. Now y plus 9, or the main common is the y plus 9, another remaining y minus 3 is equal to 0. Means either this is 0 or this is 0. In that we can say that y plus 9 is equal to 0, or else y minus 3 is equal to 0. So y is equal to this number by transposing minus 9, or y is equal to this will go that side, so plus 3. So it is asked find the value of y. So either 9 or 3. The value of y in the given question is 9 minus 9 or 3. That is the total answer of this question. So please, if you are understanding, like, share, comment, and make them your classmates to read well, to perform well in the exams. And exam is just a battle. Just be free of mind and write it well. Just it is a game only. Don't take any tension about the exams, because of exam is not greater than you. You have the confidence in you, you can achieve it. Next we are going another question. Some important questions it is likely to arise or come in the exam. Keep on stable on the channel. It will helpful for you. Next question it is given here. Important question here given. Find the coordinate of point which divide. Find the coordinates of points which divide the line segment joining the points minus 1, 7 and 4, minus 3 internally in the ratio 2:3. Means it is asked we have to find the one line segment is there. Suppose that this is a line segment. I written here the A, here written the B. A coordinates given here minus 1, 7. B given here, suppose that 4, 3 given it is. And it is asked to find the coordinates. Any point is there. Suppose that this point C is there. We have to find the x, y. We have to find. It is divided in the ratio. Internally means inside the. In higher classes, you will read in the externally also. That time the formula will be the different. Nothing change will happen. That minus is there. That will become plus. Plus will become that. Minus will become. I will take and come the first PUC, second PUC, or that to 11th or 12th also match as it with that. So here it is given that 2:3 means this ratio. This side 2 part is there, so this side 3 part are there. Total part are 5 are there in that. We have to find that. So it is called, it is divided in the section. So section formula we are going to learn. So what is the section formula? I hope you know. X is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. What is the m1 and m2? That is the ratio. This sometime it is written m and n, sometime it is written p and q, sometime it is m1 m2, sometime it is n1 n2, any number different can be. Y is equal to, it is given here m2 y1 plus m1 y2 by, ulta can write, if 2 1 here 1 2, so here also 1 2, plus is there is no changement in that. Okay, same formula, if no confusion should be there, so it is can be written m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. First of all, we have to find the what are the values given. This is the given here x1 y1 This is the x2, y2 given, and ratio given m1 given the 2 and m2 given the 3. This ratio given. We just be putting the values, the answer will be there. X is equal to m1 value is given the 2 into x2 value. X2 value is given 4 plus m2 is given the 3, m1 x1 value given the -1 divided by what? Divided by m1 plus m2, 2 plus 3. Same as it is this side also. Y is equal to m1 value is given the 2, y2 value given the 3, -3 plus m2 given here the 3, and y1 value given as 7. In the question it is given 7 divided by 2 plus 3 because of m1 plus m2. Solving this equation, x is equal to 4 2 ja 8 plus into minus 3 1 ja 3 by 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. This side solving separately, 2 3 ja 6 -6 plus 7 3 ja 21 by 5. This side coming, x is equal to 8 minus 5 is equal to 5 by 5. This side y is equal to 21 plus and -6. It will become the, how much become? 15 by 5. So writing here, x is equal to 5 by 5 means 1 and y 15 by 5 is equal to 3. But the value of x and y here, the value of x and y, it become the what? 1,3. So we found the value. This is the in the CBSE, ICSE and state syllabus which are that running because of math is globally. So that it is the 2 marks or 3 marks questions it is. Likely it can be done. Sometimes they will give the value given the coordinates value given here. They are asking the find that what is the ratio. So same formula you are going to write the same. Just you are going to the cross multiplies of that one. It will come next series. It will come next day. Next video will get that which type question can be asked on the coordinate geometry. Next we are going another one more question. Question given here. Find the mean of the following distribution table. Mean given it is. So first mean finding. Class Ci given, class interval given here. One question surely it will be asked. Mean, mode, median. Mean, mode, median purpose it is asked. So Ci means it is given the class interval. It is given the 5 to 15 given. Sometime continuous, sometime discrete. It is 15 to 25. Same difference. Then 25 to 35, then 35 to 45, 10 difference is there, 45, then 45 to 55. Now frequency given in that the 2, 3, 5, 7, then 3 given. This is, so there are the 3 methods are there to find the mean for this. One is called the direct method. One is called the assumed method. In your book it is given. One is given step deviation method. Now the numbers are small, so that we are choosing the direct method. Is from here. Now direct method means we have to find the x first for the direct method. We are going for direct method. If you want for the assumed and that also, just scroll backward in my playlist, you will find the another 2 methods also will be there. So here we are finding the x. First, how to find the x in that? X means middle. What is the mean? Means this is the Ci, lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. To find the x is equal to, x means middle, mean of that one. What is that? Lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. So what is the lower limit in that? 5. What is the upper limit in that? 15 divided by 2 is equal to what become? 15 plus 5 is equal to what become? 20 divided by 2 is equal to what? 10. So I can write here 10. This is the mean of this one, means middle range of that one, in the range. Now I hope you know, if this also, if 15 plus 25 is equal to 40, then again it will come the 20. But sir, what is the difference in that? For a shortcut purpose, what is the difference in that? 10 10. Just add in the 10 10. 10 plus 10 20, 20 plus 10 30, 30 plus 10 is equal to 40, 40 plus 10 is equal to 50. Like this will become the x. We are going to find the fi xi. I means just nothing, just it limit. You will read in the 11th standard what is the meaning of the limits, integrals, depreciations in that limit. Okay, integrals and depreciation you will come find a function of this one. Here x is equal to 0 to here phi written is equal to phi. That type you find that you will read in higher classes. Now this we are going to find the sigma fi, means total of frequencies. How much is total frequencies are there? 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 7 17 plus 3 is equal to 20. Sigma fi means sum of the frequencies. Sum of the frequencies. Here we are multiplying it, this one. 10 2 is 20, 23 is 60, 65 is 150, and 47 is 280, and 53 is 150. Now we are finding the sigma fi xi, means total of the product of the fi frequencies and the mean of that one. So we are adding it. 0 0 0 0 0 0 only come. 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 5 13, 13 plus 13 is equal to 26 to carry. 3 plus 3 6 means if we got the 660. Now direct method we are writing the formula here. X bar is equal to sigma fi xi by sigma fi. X bar is equal to, we know we got xi fi, how much we got? 660 divided by fi how much we got? 20. Now 0 0 cancel. X bar is equal to 66 by 2 is equal to what? 33. Is 66 divided by the 2 is equal to 33 will come. That will be, I hope you know the divisions. So this is the direct method of finding the mean. The mean of this given data is called become the 33. Next question given in that same another table given, and it is asked to find the mode of the following table. Mode. The mode purpose, whatever the question given, we are writing it and finding the mode. What is the mode? Mode means the most repeated frequency, most repeated number, most repeated the data, most repeated the whatever the observations are there, that most repeated. Here given CI, class interval given here. Here F will give to find the mode purpose. Here given 5 to 10, then given 10 to 15, then 15 to 20, as that H is the 5, then 20 to 25 given, then 25 to 30 given. Frequency given here 3, 5, 8, 4, 5 given. This is given frequency, and it is asked the mode. It is the data, grouped data, ungrouped data purpose. Suppose that one example we are taking, the finding the mode for ungrouped data. A student scored the marks in 4-5 exams. He got the out of 10, 7 got, 6 got, 3 got, 8 got, 9 got, and again got the 7. So what is the mode of this data in 6 days? So here 7 arise 2 times, 2 time came. So the mode of the data is the 7. Because of this is more time came. Like that, in that we are finding the mode of the grouped data. First of all, which is the highest frequency in that? So you know highest frequency is 8. So this will become the F1. F1 means modal frequency. This above, just above that one, that is called the F0, means preceding modal frequency. Just down of that, that is called the F2, means succeeding modal frequency. In front of F1, that is called the lower limit. So this is become the L. This become the L, means lower limit, lower frequency, lower frequency. In that lower, now formula we are writing, mode is equal to, I hope you can say that, L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Now first of all, what are the numbers here? So L is equal to whatever the highest frequency is there in front of that CI, lower limit of this one. So 15. L is equal to 15 plus F1 given the 8, highest frequency 8 minus F0 just above this one 5 by double of this one 8 to the 16 minus f0 5 minus f2 just below the model frequency 4 into h. H means what is the range of this one? 5 to 10, 10 to 15. What is the range in that? It is the 5. Now we are solving. Mod is equal to this one. So 15 as it is plus, first break it out to solve, you know board mass. So 8 minus 5 is equal to 3 by 16. 16 minus 5, otherwise 16 minus 9. Okay, 16 minus 5 is equal to 11. 11 minus 4 is equal to 7 into 5. Now this number, now we can do the multiply. So this will become 15 plus 5 3s are 15 divided by 7. This one we are solving, adding in that. So 15 divided by 7 up to the 2 digit, after decimal 2 digits. 7 2s are 14. 1 point kept, 0, 7 1s are 7, 3, 30 becomes 7 4s are 28. That much is enough. So we got a 15 plus 2.14. So 15 plus 2 is equal to 17.14, and that is the approximately equal, and that is the mode of this given data. Next question given here. Another we are going. So I hope you are understanding. Please like, share, comment. For the next, which topic you are thinking very hard, comment in the topic, whichever it is. Video will be get on that same topic. Next question given here. The difference between the altitude and base of a right angle triangle is 5 cm. Question written, the difference between the altitude and base of a right angled triangle is 5 centimeter if the area of triangle is 150 centimeter square, then find the base and altitude of triangle. Now it is saying that one right angle triangle is there. The difference between the altitude and base. We have to analyze what is the situation given, what is the problem given in that one right angle triangle is there. This is a right angle triangle. Suppose that I drawn it. It is A, right angle at B and C. It is a right angle triangle. This is called the base. This is called the height. And opposite to the right angle, that is always hypotenuse. In that the base, height and hypotenuse. In that given the difference between the altitude and base of right angle. Suppose that base we taken the x centimeter we taken. Let base is x centimeter. Then what is the height? Height will become the difference. It is a difference between the altitude means height, and base. Both difference making, then it will become the, how much it is given? 5 centimeter given. Okay, so this is the height will become. So if it is the x centimeter, in that height minus doing one concept height. Suppose that it is height, it is the base is equal to 5 centimeter given. Is equal to height minus base is equal to 5 centimeter. But we are taking this, suppose that height is equal to what we can write? 5, this number will come the side, then it will become the plus b. And b is equal to, we took on the x. So h is equal to height, what will become? X plus 5 centimeter. What will become? X plus 5 centimeter. So now we can take the height is equal to x plus 5 centimeter we can take. Means altitude or height. Altitude is equal to become the x plus 5 centimeter. Now it is area given. If the area of the triangle is, area of a right angle triangle is always, area of right angle triangle This type writing then means right angle triangle. If we write like this, then any triangle, maybe the equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, scalene triangle, anyone. But like this making here, then it becomes the right angle triangle. It shows the right angle triangle. Area of the right angle triangle is equal to half into base into height. Base into height. So this one, how much given? Half into base. Base we took the x centimeter into height is become the x plus 5 centimeter is equal to given the 150 centimeter is equal to 150 centimeter. Now we are multiplying it. So it becomes the x into x square plus x into 5, 5x divided by 2 is equal to 150. Now we are doing cross multiplication. X square plus 5x is equal to 300. Now this one taken coming this side, x square plus 5x minus 300 is equal to 0, and this will become a quadratic equation. This become a quadratic equation. So last question, before that question I done the prime factorization method. Let's we do this one question by the formula method. So now finding what is the formula method. Formula given, x is equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. You can do it by factorization method also. The numbers will come in that multiply doing and finding the numbers. So here a is equal to 1, a is equal to 1, b is equal to here, b is equal to 5 plus 5, and c is equal to here given minus 300, minus 300. This numbers given. Keeping values, substituting values into formula, x is equal to minus, formula minus, b value 5, 5 plus minus root b square, 5 square minus 4, a is equal to 1, c is equal to minus 300, divided by 2 into 1. X is equal to minus 5 plus minus root 5 square is equal to 25. Minus into minus plus become 300 4 are 1200 divided by 2. Now x is equal to minus 5 plus minus root 1200 plus 25, 1225 divided by 2. Now if the last two digit numbers are 25, to finding the square of that root of this number, whatever this number is there, let's checking it. 1225, 25 this will come 5. The root of 25 is the 5, shortcut trick. Now 12, break this 12 into such two parts, the difference between the two parts is 1. So here the 3 and 4, because of 3 4s are 12 and the difference between the two number is 1, and this 5 is there. Take the smaller number, this 3 taken and this 5 taken, the root of the 1225 is equal to 35 become. Let another number taking, suppose that I taken the 7225 taken. Root we are going to find out. This root will become the 5. Now this 2 digit is there. Break this 2 digits in such way that the difference between the 2 digits will be the 1. So here 8 and 9. 8 9s are 72. In that, so what is the smaller number take? So root of this number is, square root of this number is 85. So like this I can write directly to calculation purpose. Many short tricks are there. It will come in the 1 by 1. X is equal to minus 5 plus minus 35 by 2. Now there are the plus minus, one time we are taking plus, one time we are taking the minus. Now one time plus taking, x is equal to minus 5 plus 35 by 2. One time x is equal to minus taking minus 5 minus 35 by 2. This number become x is equal to 30 by 2. This number become x is equal to minus 40 by 2. Now we have to think, the length can be the negative? Never. So length, the line segment or length never be negative, so that I written here not applicable. Because of it will come minus 20. Minus 20 length cannot be there, so that it is not applicable. We solving this. X is equal to what become? It become the 15 centimeter. We took that, we made the right angle triangle. In that right angle triangle, here we made the base is x and this become the x plus 5 we made. Next means base of that right angle triangle is 15 centimeter and the altitude or height, altitude and height of the triangle is x plus 15, 5 it was. So become the 15 plus 5 is equal to 20 centimeter, and that is a answer of this total question. Let's proceed to the next question. Next important question given here. An arc is drawn in the square ABCD. One is square is there. It is a square. Here it is written A, here written the B, here written the C, and here written the D. In that the arc drawn. Here one arc drawn, here one arc drawn, here one arc drawn, here also one arc drawn. This you know. The square, all the angles are 90 degree. 90 degree given. Here names given. Here it is given the P, here given the Q, here given the R, here given the S, here given the T, here given the U, here given the V, and here given the W. Given. Question written. The radius is, this radius become the 3.5 given in that. And the area of the square, area of square is equal to given in that 144 centimeter square given. Find the parameter of the, find the parameter P of, what I have to find out? P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. We have to find the parameter of this one. We are going to find out it. And radius given 3.5, this number is given. How we can find that one? First of all things, if with this is what? This is a arc, means circumference of this one, or this become a sector. Suppose that here one total we made a one circle, so this will become a sector. This become a sector. One sector, two sector, three sector, four sector. If four sector we join because of 90 degree, this one keep here, so it will become like this. This will keep here, then it become this one. This will keep here, then it become this. So it become a total circle. It become a total circle become. Now the area of the circle, this will become the total circle. It will become total. It become a circle because of four quadrants, four sectors in a right angle quadrants. Area of quadrant. Area of quadrant is equal to 1 by 4 pi r square. Otherwise, theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta here 90 degree. 90 divided by 360 into pi r square. 90 1 is 90, 94. So that I written 1 by 4 I written. So directly written. But how many quadrants are there? Total 4 are there. So multiply by 4. This 4 cancel. So what become here? Pi r square. Now area of the, now it is asked in that total. Area of the quadrant become. But it is asked arc. This, what is the length of the arc? Length of the arc asked. Means it is asked the circumference. This will become a circumference now become. So area, circumference of circle, circumference of circle is equal to 2 pi r. 2 pi r and 4 are there. So total it will become. So what will become? 2 into pi is equal to 22 by 7. R value. R value what given in that? 3.5 given. 3.5. This one cancelled by 0.5. What become? This will become 2 5s are 10, means 1 into 22 is equal to what? 22 centimeter. The circumference of the total means this one. Parameter of PQRST UVW is equal to 22 centimeter. That much only asked. Otherwise, you can do it like this. Circumference of a set, length of the arc. Length of arc is equal to theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Now theta is equal to 90 degree by 360 degree because of it is a quadrant square, and total arc 1 2 3 4 are there. So multiply 4 into 2 pi value is 22 by 7. R value already given at 3.5. 3.5. We are cancelling it. 4 ja, this 4 cancel, this only came, this much only remaining, and that only written, so equal to become 22 centimeter square. This is the another method of this one. Next we are going another question. Question given, if the first term of an arithmetic progression is 1, first term of arithmetic progression means AP, in AP first term A is equal to 1 and the 14th term is 53, 14th term A14 is equal to given here 53. Find the nth term, find nth term, AN we are going to find out. Question writing, if the first term of an arithmetic progression means AP is 1 and 14th term is 53, then find the nth term in AP. Question given, these things given. How to solve it? A given, A14 given, find AN. First of all, we are solve it one. You know, the general form of NAP is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and so on. This is called the general form of NAP. This we can write so that A14 we can write A plus 13D is equal to how much given? 3 given. Already A value we know, A value given 1. 1 plus 13D is equal to 53. 13D is equal to 53 and this will transposing that side minus 1. 13D is equal to 52. Then D is equal to what become 52 divided by 13. 13 1 ja 13, 13 4 ja. So D is equal to we got the 4. Now it is asked to find the nth term. Now we are writing the nth formula, n formula. You know AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. AN only is equal to A given 1 plus n only minus 1, D given here 4. Solving it, AN is equal to 1 plus 4 into n, 4n minus 4 into 1, 4. Then it become the AN is equal to 1 and minus 4 plus 1 minus 4 is equal to 3. 4n minus 3 and that's all the answer. Next again I will come for taking the some more important questions, that is the 3 marks, 4 marks in all the topics, from all the topics. Today I little covered by some topics only. Next whichever the hard topic is there, please comment on the comment section. It will be present in front of you the video. Thank you for watching.